Good morning and welcome back to North Dakota today. As you can see, we've got a little bit of a change of scene here. We are outside of our news station with John David Berdahl. Good morning, John.
Hello everyone.
Okay, so we have such an exciting little setup here. Can you kind of explain what we are looking at?
Yes, so this is slide painting, okay? And so I went around yesterday and I stopped by what houses with boulevards that were filled with items, for cleanup week.
Ooh.
And so all of this came from cleanup week, okay? Because of cleanup week. So everyone, go out, find some items for a project or something that you can make or remake out of, objects that you found.
I absolutely love how sustainable this is.
This is so fun. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Okay, so I'm a little nervous. This looks a little messy.
Oh, yeah, it's going to be messy. It's totally going to be messy. And so we're going to be slide painting. And what does that mean? We've got these balls. And so these items I purchased at Dollar Tree. Okay, over here. Yep, and these I purchased at Dollar Tree. So we're going to dip these in paint.
Ooh,
oh my
and she
goodness.
Slides down. So how did you build this contraption right here?
Contraption, thank you so much. This apparatus, right? Anyway, so yeah, this was just on a boulevard again. So it looks like a ladder, and I saw that and it's like, oh my gosh, so if I tip that on its side, it becomes, sort of angle. And then I found a board and another and this board too, I found just on someone's lawn. And so I grabbed it. And then this paper I got at Dollar Tree.
Okay.
Love it.
Yep. Oh,
All right, well, should we get started?
I guess so.
I suppose we'll start getting our hands dirty.
Yes,
so
so much
what's
fun.
our first step here?
So I put some paint already in this bucket here. All right, this is red. Okay, and so here's the ball. And so I'm going to put it in there. There we go. There we are. Nice and covered. Oh, look at that.
Nice and messy.
Isn't that great?
Oh.
I joked about throwing this at perhaps some of the staff or something.
Oh,
Like cut
not
away.
us, please.
What?
You're too mean.
What? No way. All the kids at the grade school say I'm too nice.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, and so now that this is, I guess adequately covered. Whoa, and red paint. Look at that. Look at that. I got red paint on the shoe.
Keep away from my shoes
And
now.
so I got clothes covers if you guys think you need them, So.
All right.
All right. There's this. Yep, and so I've got the ball covered in paint.
Oh,
I
wow.
love it I love that you can't control where it's going. You say all the time, art is messy. It's never perfect. And this is such a great example. Ooh, I'm falling in the grass here of how silly it can be.
Absolutely. Especially when you have a silly sort of art teacher or whatever, kind of like, let's get messy, That's my philosophy,
Fantastic. Now, was there any inspiration for this type of project?
Yeah, I had looked online just for kind of outdoor projects during the summer, and so I found this one, and that's what you can do too. Like some people go on Pinterest, some people go on YouTube, some people, I just Googled, really fun and colorful and really exciting outdoor projects for the summer, and I found this one. And so there was something I could have made. I got some cardboard, some from the local stores, and I'd say thank you Walmart and thank you Drummer's Journey. Not so much Runnings. They didn't have big boxes. I thought they'd have big boxes because they have big stuff, But yeah, so you can take cardboard and fashion something like this, but because it was cleanup week, I could just make this. People just had all these items. Also, if you have a slide at home,
Oh, yes.
that's why I set that out.
That's
you don't
brilliant.
have to shop. You don't have to, just put some paper on that.
I love this. And did you see the cool kind of effect it has with the holes in the ball? It kind of
Ooh.
skips where the paint is. This is actually really, really neat.
Okay, dare I say it's time for me to get my hands dirty here.
Should we do it?
I think we should. All right, now first we are going to head to commercial break so Sophia and I can glove up. We
Yes.
are still wearing our hosting clothes from indoors. We'll get a little more appropriate, and then right after the break, we're going to try our hand at slide painting.
Yes, don't go anywhere.